and welcome back to Fox and Fate. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back for those who have been here before. Today we are going to do a cleaning motivation, clean with me in my bedroom. Been struggling a little bit recently and things have been left, somewhat unattended. So I've been struggling a little bit. This is the end result. So today we are going to go through and have a tidy up. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Fish. It's my cat. She is 17 years old and very, very loud. So in the corner here we have my clean sheets and doona cover that have been sitting there for a week to be replaced on the bed, and that is part of today's job. So letting the light into the room, it's been really dark in here, and opening up that sliding door, let some fresh air in, turn the fan on as well to get some air circulating. Does anyone else watch cleaning motivation videos whilst they're cleaning because they need the motivation? Because I certainly do. That top drawer is a project that I really need to get onto. But that's not today's job, so we'll just deal with the surface issue we have at hand. New slippers and new sneakers. Oh, if anyone has a weighted blanket, let me know your thoughts on it. And if you don't, if you're considering getting one, they are incredible. I absolutely love mine. Absolutely love it. Clean sheets that have been sitting in that corner for, oh goodness, a week. Finally getting onto the bed. just a bit about me. I'm a single mother living in Western Australia. I am studying full-time. I'm doing a double degree in law and commerce. Have got not too long to go, I suppose. So this channel will cover cleaning motivation and study motivation. We'll do a couple of what's for dinners, day-to-day life stuff. And yeah, if there's anything else, any other content that you guys want me to cover, let me know in the comments box down below. King size doonas in king size doona covers is one of the trickiest job that anyone can ever do. And this time I actually got it right the first time, so I was super excited about that. Because sometimes you've got to take the little wins, and getting the insert into the doona cover right the first time was one of those wins today. Cleaning off this nightstand with the jewellery that was just accumulating. The whole process of cleaning it off, I've been putting it off for months, maybe 6-8 months. I've been cleaning up this jewellery, and I did it today, and it took me, oh goodness, less than 10 minutes to get it all sorted. And the end result, it's felt so good. It's freed up so much mental space when you're walking into the bedroom. these earrings are one of my favourite pieces of jewellery that I own. My daughter bought them for me last year for Christmas with her very first paycheck. It was the first thing she bought with her very first job, and I absolutely treasure these earrings. So this is the before. This is what I was working with, and this is what depression looks like. I had lost my job a month ago. I've been offered two jobs, and I will probably end up taking both of them whilst still studying my law degree and commerce degree full time. But I made progress today. Even the simple act of putting clothes in the dirty clothes hamper and changing the sheets on the bed, opening up the space and letting the air in, and generally making it a nice place to be waking up to of a morning. So I'm really excited about the progress I made today. It was really small, but really, really effective. So thank you everyone for your support. So I hope you enjoyed this video, a super quick and just a really basic clean with me, cleaning motivation video, and I appreciate you spending this time with me today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.